Gong, lift your head. Fear may shake your body, but it cannot choose your destiny. Do not make yourself smaller to keep others comfortable. Honor your Òrì, stand in your truth, move even while fear is speaking. What belongs to your destiny requires the real you, not the version created by doubt. Face the road, take the step, become who you were called to be.
One of the artists from Pinky's Records, and this, man, my boy Tru3 Gong. Come on up, man, and spread the word, man. Get some of this good consciousness in here, brother. Yeah. Sometimes I bring the good stuff. Sometimes I bring the feel-good music. Then I come with the energy, the gangster. But this is conscious. We bringing some conscious music in tonight. Let's get them.
Indie Tours.
Take a breath with me for a moment. This one is called Òrì. It's about the part of you that already knows the way. It's your gong. Ba-da-bum, Tru3 Gong. Dum-da-dum, Tru3 Gong. Oh, Tru3 Gong, yeah. In the quiet of the soul where dreams reside, Òrì whispers, come take the ride. Guiding with the wisdom deep, through the valleys up the steep. When the world was young, before the name, Òrì was there, shaping the plan. Choosing paths for hearts to tread, feeding the spirit, guiding the head. Òrì, 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 guide of the soul. In your hands I find my goal. Òrì, Òrì, wisdom bright, you lead me through the darkest night. Trust was guiding you through the trials, the doubts I face. Òrì's strength is my embrace. Every step, in every way, Òrì's wisdom will not astray. Òrì, 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 guide of the soul. In your hands I find my goal. Òrì, Òrì, wisdom bright, you lead me through the darkest night. Òrì ain't got right, so true. You saw I was born when I stood. For this comes and the winds I go. Your God is me called. Òrì, Òrì, guide of the soul. In your hands I find my goal. Òrì, hold me through the darkest night. Manifest your destiny. Boom, boom, boom. Move mountains, Tru3 Gong. Tru3 Gong, Tru3 Gong, Tru3 Gong.
It's funny.
You already know what it is. Hey, look. Everybody off the boat. Come on, off the bus. Look, you know I'm still hyped about the cruise. I'm like, everybody off the boat. Nah, look, come a little closer this time, y'all. Come on, we gonna pull it in this time, y'all, like a family. Come on, come on. A little closer. Yeah, that's a little too goddamn close.
Oh, okay.
That's you taking this close too far, player. Hey, listen. Hey, coming to the stage for the second go around, man. My guy, my boy, Tru3 Gong. Take us away, Tru3 Gong, man. I ain't gonna say too much more.
So we're gonna turn it up a little bit for this song.
Let me see that confetti. Special recognition to Suda Q and Skeeter Great for bringing me back. Tonight, we celebrate the world creators, the people who turn imagination into places we can enter, explore, and share. Every world begins begins with a vision. Then come the tools, the work, the testing, and the rebuilding. This is for the builders. This is Ògún. The mighty forger, with iron in his hand, he cleared the path for humans in this fertile land. From the forest deep and dark to the open plains, Ògún's iron tools and weapons broke the ancient chains. With his strength and skill, he shaped the world anew, building civilization with the iron that he knew. Ògún's fire in the forge, the hammer's rhythmic sound, protection and progress to the lands around.
Ògún, Ògún, master of the forge, your strength and your wisdom we honor and adore. Ògún, 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 with your iron so bright, you paved the way for us through the day and night.
In the doors, make some noise for every creator who took an empty space and built a world from imagination. Behind these worlds, show some confetti.
In the days of old, when tools were yet unknown, Ògún's hands created wonders, seeds of progress sown. From the blades that cut the fields to the weapons in the fight, Ògún's like Òrì and light.
He built tools for labor, for protection and for peace. His contributions to mankind brought a lasting release. With each swing of his hammer, with each molten pour, Ògún forged the future that's rich and evermore.
Ògún, 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 master of the forge, your strength and your wisdom we honor and adore. Ògún, 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 with your iron so bright, you paved the way for us through the day and night.
From iron tools to digital tools, the work continues. Every portal, every structure, every sound, every world, someone had to build it. Indie Tours, show love to the creators.
Ògún, Ògún, in your fire we find the tools of our labor, the strength of the mind. From the iron of the forge
To the fields of the earth, Ògún's gifts to humanity are beyond measure of worth.
from the hands of creators, new worlds now arise, built through work and vision, then open to our eyes. Ògún, master of the forge, your strength and your wisdom we honor and adore. Ògún,
Ògún,
Ògún, with your iron so bright, you paved the way for us through the day and night. Ògún, master of the forge, your strength and your wisdom we honor and adore. Ògún,
Ògún,
Ògún, with your iron so bright, you paved the way for us through the day and night.
manifest your destiny. Once again, recognition to Tru3 and Ski the Great for bringing me back. Respect to every world creator being showcased tonight. Indie Tours. Keep building!
Doody 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 dum dum. Yeah, Ski glitched out for a second, but man, give it up for Tru3 Gong, man. It is always a pleasure and such an honor to have you on our stage. Y'all guys, make sure to go follow him. And if they wanted to get any of your music, they just follow you on Instagram, right?
Yes, yeah, Instagram, trugong.com. Pinky's Rockin' This. I'm all over the place. So just look up Tru with a 3 and I'm there.
Hey, thank you so much, Tru3 Gong.
Thank you.
Thank you so. What a blessing that was. All right, everybody, we got one more door left, and you know what time it is. Time to get back on the bus, even though it's just like
dum dum.
Yeah, that was beautiful, beautiful.
Hey. Man, I told y'all was gonna have a time tonight. Never disappoint. Tru3 Gong, y'all. He's already sent out his info on how to check him out, man. If you want to just listen to some good music, it is nothing about the sound, the vocals. Amazing how he incorporated into his statement for that. The dum dum. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be adding it because I need some more of that in my life. Your tone, your sound, everything. Amazing. Thank you again, Chef.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, y'all. Tru3 Gong. Don't forget it. We're going down to our very last door tonight. We're gonna bring up the cold coming up. Before we do so, before we bring up the cold, anything else we need to add to the queue? Anything?